Alright guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a website like what you are seeing on the screen. Alright, how to design a full-fledged website like this with all the user, you can see the registration, you can see the login and the rest of them. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to design this particular kind of website. First, you need to have what is called a cPanel. Alright, as you can see, this is my cPanel. Alright, so I'll be using the subdomain. Okay, the name of the subdomain is RBT. Alright, so this is the subdomain. Alright, this is my subdomain here. Alright, let me come back. Alright, so this is it. Alright, I'll just come to my subdomain. This is my subdomain here. Open my file manager. Alright, so once you have your cPanel, alright, this is the subdomain I'll be using. Alright, this RBT, so I'll be using this subdomain. So this is the file. I've already uploaded the file. Okay, so once you are done uploading the file, the next you need to do is to create your database. So I'll come back to my cPanel and go to my database. Alright, I need to create my database. Okay. The reason why I'm using the subdomain is because I already have some content on the website, so I don't want it to interfere. So I'll just create a separate subdomain for this particular video tutorial. So, but for you who will be doing this particular training, all you need to do is to upload the file. Alright, so let me just show you how you can do that. Alright, I'll come to let me reload this. Alright, this is the files. Alright, this is the file. Let me just delete everything or select all. Then, alright, this is the file here. Okay, let me delete every other thing there. Click on remove. Alright, this is the file. So once you upload the file, it will be in form of a zip folder. It will be in form of a zip file like this. When you upload the file, it will be in a zip file like this. Alright, so all you need to do is to right click on it and select extract. Alright, I'll click on extract files. Okay, so I'll click on extract files. So once you extract the file, alright, and you have moved it to the folder, right? So this is it. I'll reload. Okay, now it's inside this folder. Right, once I open this folder, it's inside here. Are you getting now? So I want it to be in the main subdomain. So I will now click on select all again. Then I'll click on move. So I'll move it from this where no folder to the main, right, to the main website. All right. So if you are doing it for your clients, you will just purchase your domain name and upload it straight to the public_html. Right now, if I come back to it now, I have all the files. These are all the files here. All right. In case some files are not showing, all you need to do is to come to these settings. All right. Then click on show hidden files. I get now show hidden files. So all the files will now appear. So just click on save. So now that you are done with it, the next thing is to connect your database. Come to your cPanel. Then come down to where you have database wizard. This is the database wizard. So I'll click on it. Right. So click on database wizard so as to create our database. All right, so I'll just come here. I can just call it RBTDB. Sorry, RBTDB. All right, DBB. I'll click on next step. All right, so that is database created. Then next thing is the user. I can say, I can say RBTRR. Or that's my database. I get it now. So that's my user. So I'll just use this as my password there. So I'll just do this. I get it now. So this is the RBT. That's my user and the rest of them. So I will now click on create user. Alright, I'll click on create user. Good, it has been created. So now that it has been created, I'll copy this information here. This user, copy this information. Then come back to your subdomain. This is my subdomain. Then come to this edit this .env file. Right click on it and select edit. All right. So select that. So now I have to edit. Can you see that? So what I will do, you can see the file here. I will just edit this, then change it to your domain. All right. So I will come here now. This is database. I'll put my database there. All right. Then the same this one for my password, then this one for my user. All right, this is my user. Copy that. Then I'll come here, then I'll paste it here. All right, good. Can you see that now? Then the next thing I will do, I will click on all privileges and click on make changes. Good. So once I'm done with that, I will also come back to copy my subdomain. All right, this is my subdomain. All right, can you see that? I will copy this, then come to this env here, then I'll paste it. Can you see that now? Or paste it there, and then I'll save changes. Do I have any other files to save? No. I just once we are done with that, just come over to this place and save changes. We are done connecting our database. All right. So the next thing is we have created our database. So I'll just come back to this part here. Click on your cPanel, then click on go to phpMyAdmin. All right. Go to phpMyAdmin, which is this. This is it here. Go to phpMyAdmin and upload your database, your SQL file. And now your SQL file is inside your file here. You can see the SQL file. This is your SQL file. And you see this is the SQL file. Just right click on it and select download. All right, select download. So download that SQL file. Good, it has been downloaded. This is it. Then come back to your phpMyAdmin. Remember the one I created is the ROBT DBB. This is it. I will click on it. All right, so once I click on it, the next thing I will do is what? Import. All right, then I'll click on choose file. All right, click on choose file. Then this is the file here. Then I'll click on open. This is it. Then I'll click on import. So this is how to upload your SQL file to your database. And remember, we have connected our database to our front end using the env file. All right, so now once you are done uploading the file, we now have to test run what we have done so far. All right, and remember, when you are doing this, always make sure you confirm your PHP version. All right, sometimes it might not load because of the PHP version, so I will just come here and check my PHP version for my subdomain. All right, so just check the PHP version. All right, so it's still loading. So the network is somehow bad, so we just have to endure. Now the PHP version we are seeing here is 8.0 inherited, so I'll just come here and set it to 7.4. All right, apply. All right, this is particular one. I'll set it to 7.4, apply. It's still loading, good. 7.4, good. Now this is database, it's still importing. So good, it has been imported. Now let's test run our site. Let's test run our site to see how it looks. So this is our website here. Just copy this. Let's paste it here. All right, good. So it's still loading. So I have to wait. Can you see our website is loading? So in less than how many minutes we are already done with the website. Can you see our website is fast loading? This is our website. Can you see that now? This is our website. Now that we are done uploading our website and connecting it to our database, the next thing we have to do is to go to the admin. And now to access the admin, okay, so to access the admin, just come over to your site, put /admin login right? So this is it, admin login. This is how to access your admin login/login. Then you click on it. Now to access the admin information, the admin email and the admin password, you have to come back to your files which you uploaded here. Then come to admin. Can you see that you come to admin? All right. So once you come to this admin, all right, you can see admin. You can see the admin manager. All right, good. So I'll just click on edit. All right, I'll click on edit. Click on edit. Okay, so as to change my, so this is the admin email. All right, admin, let me just change it to mail so that I just change it to mail admin. Then I'll have to insert a new, so I can just put this one there. All right, good. So this is the admin new password. So I'll just do that and click on, just scroll down and click on go. All right, very easy, very easy. So I'll just come here now. So I'll now come here, I'll say admin, all right, at mail. All right, this is it. Then I'll put that. Then I'll come here and put in my, and I'll click on login. All right, click on login. Perfect. I've logged into the admin. Very easy. This is the admin. So once you come to the admin now, all right, so once you come to the admin, the next thing you have to do is to come to settings. Can you see settings here? You can see settings there. Click on settings. So you can see app settings. All right, you can see the app settings. So from this app settings, you put your website name. All right, put your website information there. All right, so you put all the information you have to put. So let me, okay. All right, so you put all your, this is it. So you change your website. This one is showing Trust Crypto. You put your website name here. Welcome to Trust. You put your website name here too. All right, then this aspect you put your own website link, which is mine is, in this case mine is this. So I'll copy this and come over to this part here and paste it. All right, so also change this one that is saying we are doing, no, change your own to your, change this website description to your own website name. All right, okay, so you have to change all of this. Then you have to, if you want to upload your logo, this logo showing here, right, this logo showing here, can you see that? So you have to upload it here. To upload your logo, just create your logo and choose your logo here, right? Select your logo and upload, right? If you also want to show favicon, you can also do that. So anything at all you are done doing, just click on save changes or update. Good, so you update. So once you are done updating, the next one you have to come to is preference. All right, you come to preference. All right, preference, you can see the contact email. So you put your, so your webmail here, right? Then your currency is always in dollar. If you want to change other currency, you can see other currency, but it's in dollar. Then you have other ones that says enable withdraw. If you want to disable withdraw, you can disable it. If you want to enable email verification, most of the time just turn it off. If you want to enable email verification, you can enable email verification. All right, you can see that anything at all you are doing, always make sure you save. All right, always, you can use that. Always make sure you save. The next part is, once you are done with this, is come to email. All right, for you to be receiving email in your inbox, you have to set up your, choose SMTP. Don't use send me. Use SMTP. Right, use SMTP. So once you select SMTP, choose webmail. This is your, create a webmail here. All right, webmail, to create a webmail account is very easy. Come to your cPanel. All right, come to your cPanel and create a good webmail. So I can come here and create a webmail. All right, so I want to create a webmail now. All right, I can come here and create and say, I can click on create. All right, this is my, just say mail. All right, then I'll put in my password. All right, so that is my password. I will now click on create. All right, the moment I'm done creating, so the password I use here, I use in creating this webmail, will be the password I will insert here as my SMTP password. Can you see the SMTP password? I'll put that here. All right, I'll put that as, sorry, I'll put the password here. All right, good. That is my password. Then the SMTP username is the email I just created, which is this. Where is it? This is it. This is the username. I'll copy this. Then I'll paste it here. Control V. The same email here. Then I'll put it, this becomes my company name. RBT crypto. All right, are you there? So that becomes my email from the name. All right, so the port is 465. Then this is what, SSL. All right, this is SSL. So that is how to set up your SMTP. All right, host. The host is your domain host. All right, just copy your domain. All right, and put it here. This is your host. Are you getting now? This is your host. You put your domain name there and you put all of those things. So once you are done, leave every other thing and come down to save changes. All right, so that is how to do that. So once you are done with all these settings here, you still come back here. You have other settings to do. You have your payment. Payment is how you want to collect your funds. Are you guys know how you want to collect your funds? So you also do that. Now you can see the various payment option. You can see the dodge. So anyone you don't want, you just disable. All right, I can come over, click on this now to enable. So if I don't want dodge, I'll just come down. Instead of enable, I'll just click on disable. Then I'll click on update. Are you getting it now? Click on update. So once you do that, also ensure to put your wallet address. All right, you can see You can see this now. This is a crypto, all right? The wallet address, you put your wallet address there and you save. If you are not, be very, very careful when it comes to the aspect of wallet address. Make sure you confirm that very, very well. It's important for you to take note of that. Put your wallet address in each of the um, crypto assets, and also check the network. All right, if you are using Doge, for example, if you are using USDT, for example, USDT has different networks, TROC, EROC, and the rest of them. Always enable to check your network, all right, so as to collect your funds. All right, good. So you can see that there's this part that says type form. If you want to enable it for both is withdraw and deposit. All right, most of the time, for you not to get yourself confused, I always prefer you enable two options, either Bitcoin or USDT, or Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, so have it there so they can use it to withdraw and also use it to deposit. Are you getting now? So that is for the user side. All right, these are for the user side. You can see this is a manage user. All right, you can see manage user. So these are the users on the website. All right, these are the users on the website. Now let me see if I can log into one user and show. All right, I'll come to action here and click on login. All right, let me log into a different user. All right, so once you log into a user account, it is all right. So you log into a user account. This is a user account. All right, so if you log into a user account, for them to be able to withdraw, they have to check their settings, account settings here. All right, they have to come to account settings. If you come to account settings, all right, okay, this is still logging as a manager. All right, so every user must update their account information before they can withdraw. They can set their password. All right, most of the things they have here is only enabled by the admin. All right, so this is how to navigate all through your website. Okay, then every other thing that has to do with the editing of the home page. All right, all these other things you are seeing here. Okay, all these other ones you are seeing here, they are done from the admin. Right, from the admin. If you come to your settings, you will see order. You can see the terms and condition, privacy, front end. You can see the front end setting. Let me click on the front end setting and show you the front end setting. You can see the about, or you can see the contact, you can see testimonial, you can see the web content. All right, you can see all of this content you are seeing here. All this content are the home page content. All right, so you can edit them from the admin. All right, so most importantly, how to upload the file. Once you upload the file, extract your file, connect with the MV file, and upload your database. All right, so once you're able to set all of these things up, it's very, very easy for you to navigate. Okay, so this is how to build this part of a crypto website. So if you have any challenge, do well to reach out to me. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you, and see you in my next video.